Hey you guys, welcome to another video. So I'm gonna be making a kind of like a fruit basket for my fruits that I don't have already. So I'm using Dollar Tree items. You can say hi later. I'm using Dollar Tree items. So this is I think this is a candle holder, and then I also have this dish. So I'm gonna start off by first using Gorilla Glue.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.
So while I'm waiting for this to harden up and just for the glue to dry, I'm gonna mix my paint. I'm gonna try the baking soda trick that everybody's been doing on TikTok. I know I'm late, but I'm gonna try it now that I have time. So chalk paint is already like chalky, which is why I chose it, but I'm gonna see if it can get any chalkier to make it look like ceramic vase when I add the baking powder. So I'm also gonna try it on this vase. This vase I got from a thrift shop, Salvation Army, for $5.99. So I'm going to paint over it and give it a fresh look.
It sound right, boys.
Alright y'all, so this is how the vase turned out. It's all dried. I like how you can see the textures on it, so it definitely does look like it dried really well. It looks like ceramic. I just put my spring florals in there just to give you guys an idea of how it looks with something inside of it. I am gonna get like greens to put in there. I think that will look a lot better, but this is how it turns out. It looks really good.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys. sound right, boys.